I have the ugly interior. I have the gray leather option.
The elephant sack.
Just absolute whale nut sack. Don't show that part, it's already black. Leather interior, gray carpet, gray door cards. Disgusting. A lot of people spray paint their interior with duplicolor, but if you're in the old, you know, if you're in Canada, shit's like 15 bucks a can. You get one of these, right? $6 at Walmart. Mix it with some
or
water.
$7 at Michael's if you want
go to Walmart for the savings.
Yeah.
Look at that. We got this shitty, crappy tire let us down again. Bottle's fucking leaking. This thing's brand new. It was the most expensive one they had, and it's leaking.
So you're supposed to dilute the stuff, half of a bottle like this, to 3 gallons of water, but Mama didn't raise no bitch.
We tried it earlier. You can look.
It's 1 full bottle to that.
So you can see how dark it is. That's literally like 3 sprays. I don't know. We're gonna need to get a rag to like smear shit around.
This lighting is so good.
What we're gonna do? Pull the seats out, find a brush, and then we'll check back in.
Alrighty.
All of my bolts are stripped. Ooh, ooh. Are these removable or no? Are they part of the door card? Hello? That wasn't even tight. Oh, it's really wet back there.
What do you want?
Look at how wet it is back here. I mean, it's pretty sick, but like...
A swimming pool? Hold up. Drain.
Let me get the pistol.
Holy crap! Look at the results, bruh! That's actually crazy. Oh, it looks like iced tea.
Poo poo!
Oh, it's really
What the fuck, dude?
How does it smell? Can you give us a little sniff of that sludge?
Dude, smell it.
Why would I?
It smells like rotten milk.
Oh, it does. So, can't really see shit because the sun is absolutely cocking everything, but it's coming together. God damn it, sun. Okay, you can see it better there now. I need some more coats, but Noah's gonna pull out the passenger seat and then start on that side.
Dude, let me do the reveal. You ready? Should have got before shots. Ready? So this isn't everything. We're gonna do another coat after this one dries. But pretty black.
Yeah, another coat and it'll be mint. It's also it's a lot cheaper than buying a new carpet.
Dude, you can
make
buying
60 cans
black carpet for $12. That shit. It's probably cheaper in the States too.
Everything's cheaper in the States. Fuck you guys.
What's mint? Wow, wow, wow.
Cool beans.
Cool.
Pointless to show right now when it's not illuminated. Light up vinyl's coming soon.
Looks good, I'm fired up.
Are you fired up?
Crazy. We'll check back in a couple days when this is dry and we'll do another coat. So
yeah.
We'll see you then. Alright, someone was building like the first gen Iron Man suit in here. Fuck, man. Like, what is this? Well, I don't know where this goes either.
That's like the AI that's in the suit, man.
Where is this going?
Isn't it Pepper Potts that's in the suit or something? Ah. Yeah, I can hear that at the back of your car. I'll give it a yoink. Another circumcision.
There's a flux capacitor on here. Oh, dude, free wire? That's still good. What is this, man? Oh, Lord Jesus, man. That's coming from... Oh. Dude, this one was up here. I remember. I've seen this one. Don't need that.
It's only weight reduction.
This one's like stuck, man. Oh.
Why is that also not connected?
Why were none of them connected?
Okay, give that red one a pull. I bet it's not connected to anything. Oh. Are you getting laxatives on it?
Man, it literally crosses over the other side of the trans tunnel. Oh, what the fuck, man? What the jank, dude? Why is that a fucking fire hazard? Why is it orange now? It used to be red. What the hell's going on?
Or none of the. Who would leave those wires in?
That's so
like all
dumb.
that wiring was just cut, but just left in.
Look at all this.
How much does that weigh?
Look at all this jank.
Give us a weight reduction.
Just get the friggin' wire out of the headliner too. Where's that going? Why is it fucking raining?
We live in garbage-istan. Is that not connected to anything either? Fire. Yeah, oh yeah, the connector's right there. It almost came out.
Oops!
So much reduction of weight going on here.
Wow.
Wow, wow, look at all the wires. Look at all the wires.
Yeah, wire for sale. Sub-wiring, it's pre-wired. Works, man. Trust me. Dude, no more car in the studio.
Stu's amped, brah.
Just the oil from it is here.
Just all the fluids.
Okay, well,
This is a congregation of multiple fluids.
it's been a couple days. The ink on the carpet's dry, I hope.
Honestly, we should have just got an octopus and just squeezed that bitch in the carpet.
Yeah. But, I gotta slap my interior back together. My trunk was leaking, so I took everything apart to try and figure out where the leak was coming from, and it was the trunk. And since it was in the driveway, all the water would run down and pool behind the driver's seat. I hope it's dry now, I don't know. I didn't check yet. Oh yeah, she's dry. So,
Yeah, this is kind of how the carpet's looking right now.
you see anything, or is it way too dark?
No, it's not bad. But yeah, it looks good. I think that's a good cheap option if you guys are looking at
12 bucks.
12 bucks.
Like 12 bucks for black carpet, that's a good deal.
Goddamn steal, my guy. Cracked at get finding deals. Oh my god. This carpet right now is cracked, my guy.
It's pretty, like it turned out really good.
It doesn't look as good on camera as it does in real life. You're just gonna have to trust, fam,
Does it look
okay?
kind of gray on camera?
Shit looks fucking lit, fam, okay? Trust.
And that'll be the carpet video, dude. Looks good, 12 bucks. If you did spray paint, like fabric dye, paint, whatever, you'd be like 100 bucks. You'd need so many cans. The dye, you just dilute it. I think we used 2.
You dilute it.
We just used 2. So they're 6 bucks each, that's 12 bucks.
$7 if you go to Michael's, $6 if you go to Walmart. That's stonks.
Go to
right there.
Wally's, we're not sponsored, no affiliation with Walmart.
Yeah, you
Walmart.
don't fuck Walmart, eh?
Someone's gonna take my friggin' door off, bro.
We're not sponsored by Walmart, but we did just sponsor.
Yeah, our boy Julio sponsored Julio.
Yeah.
Julio's the first recruit.
Ben's pretty much sponsored. Has been, but.
Yeah.
So Julio's second in
Julio, great guy, you know. His car's cool. We decided to sponsor him. We're trying to expand the marketing horizon.
We're trying to go from 100 airs to 1,000 airs.
100%.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Dropping our course soon.
It doesn't stink nearly as bad.
Okay,
anymore.
also out the studio.
Okay, I need 14.
I really don't
I
care.
need 12. And I need 2 bolts. And we'll slap a joint together.
Cool, man. Did I ask?
I want your seat too.
What do you mean my seat?
Passenger seat. That might help. We gotta put a passenger seat in this car.
Put your own fucking passenger seat in.
That's what I'm saying. But you're gonna be sitting in it.
Oh, I thought you meant you wanted to take my seat and put it in here.
Yeah. I'm taking your seat.
No.
No, obviously not, man. I mean,
Okay,
fucking
well,
put
holy
my
fuck.
passenger seat.
Okay, I don't care.
But you're gonna be sitting in it, so I said your seat.
Oh, it's mine.
Fark.
Soon we're switching over to 2.0 or Stoof. We'll find out why it's Stoof. But yeah, what's the other name? 2.0. Okay, so we're gonna get a new stew. So comment what we should name it. Stoof. I guess they won't really get the reference of Stoof. 2.0 or Noah. What was the other name?
I almost forgot how shit it was to wrench on the street.
Yeah, it's also really bright and all the lighting is really cool.
I don't even need the sunnies in here, man.
Everyone is
Why did you fucking fly away, man?
Actually, a fucking Seagal. Steven Seagal out here.
Oi, 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 oi.
Nice. Installed. God damn. Didn't know it was dessert time already. Install looks clean af, Bromeo.
Thanks, brah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pretty windy, eh? Man, the sunnies? Why do they make everything look so much better? It's a little utopia. Dude, Bobby Shmurda's out. Alright, dude. That's that. Carpet's black, cost me 12 bucks. So if that's not value, I don't know what is. It looks so much better than like the shitty gray. It's like scope, man. Next up on the interior. Pretty nice. Next up on the interior, dude, we're gonna do something with the headliner. I got this Hawaiian fabric, but I'm thinking black might be the way to go. Might just get tired of the Hawaiian spec. I might just use it on the door cards and then do black headliner, you know?
What? That's.
I feel like door cards
You're so messy.
Well, now I have it. I have to use it.
Well, let's make a shirt out of it.
What?
My guy.
You know the gum thing? I had like black velvet material in my hand that I was gonna get.
Oh my god.
But it was like 4 times the price. It was like
So, like,
60 bucks
Huh.
for like enough to do the headliner. They're capping me. See this key?
Man, how am I getting into my house?
It was in my carpet. Anyways, that's that. 12 bucks. That's insane, unheard of value. Stay tuned for the next video when we drive this thing first time. Probably we'll get like halfway down the road. That'll be sick, dude.
No doubt.
But yeah, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for the cup holders coming out soon. Give a quick little shot. I'm rocking the dualies. You could too. Look at that, man. You could rock dualies like me. You could have dual squash. We're gonna be carrying some Ecosha pretty soon too. Don't even worry about it. You'll be able to get it all.
Squash canisters?
All in one. All in one stop and shop, dude. It's gonna be fire, dude. Anyways, that's that. I'll catch you in the next one. When we drive this thing, dude. I'm pretty nervous. It's gonna go kaboom. Shut up, Colby.